Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this Brickell men's products, and this is the texturizing sea salt spray. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this product, and I want to give a big shout out to this company for being nice enough to send me this product in exchange for this video, and I'm super excited to talk to you today about it. Now, first off, you'll notice that this is the texturizing sea salt spray right here. It has that sea salt as well as a couple other things in it. Now, the first thing I noticed is it is a nice large bottle here. I believe this is the 6-ounce bottle here, so a nice big bottle here. This should last me and my household quite some time, but I went ahead and actually tested out this product, tried the texturizing sea salt spray, and I actually really like it a lot. Now, this is not going to be a firm hold. It's not a hairspray. It's not anything like that. It really is just designed to add a little bit of texture to your hair and kind of give you that kind of wet, a little bit kind of a finished look, but mostly just the texture. Now I'm going to go ahead and just spray it right here so you can kind of see what it looks like here. But you can see as I spray it there, just kind of a liquid there, nothing really any different than just a kind of typical kind of clear liquid. So overall, I've been really impressed with this product. I think it's really nice and high quality. I love the texture that it adds to my hair, and for that reason, I'd highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.